Morning, everyone. More like it, okay? Being students, being the younger generation, you must have energy, right? Am I right? 中国的队伍在哪里？来，你们好。Okay, first and foremost, I would like to give a warm welcome to our guest of honor. She's none other than Madam Ting Pei Ling, the Member of Parliament for Singapore, for the Marine Parade and the Braddell High, GRC. Ma'am, thank you for joining us again. All right, and I would also like to give, but ma'am, you are not someone new to us. In fact, some of the previous mentors, they know you because you have actually graced our previous event before for our global brand planning competition. So please help me to give a big round of applause to Madam Ting. In fact, ma'am, you know, we all know you as someone, and in fact, we know you as being the youngest politicians that enter into politics itself. and to us, in our heart, you are still the youngest right now. Thank you. and we have always in all and how you actually engage the community and having a branding on yourself. How you branded yourself, you know, being someone that's very approachable and at the same time helping the community itself and leading in youth leadership. I think that's something that all of us over here can appreciate, especially the younger generation. So on behalf of all the generation, I mean the younger generation or the younger leader, I'd like to actually convey a word of thanks. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Please help me to give a big round of applause. Now, next on the list, I would like to also acknowledge the Vice Dean of the Singapore University of Social Science. Is none other than Mr. Marcus Lee. Thank you, sir. Please help me to give a big round of applause to Mr. Marcus Lee for taking your time off to come and grace our event itself. Okay. All right, and of course, I would like to also give acknowledgement to the founders of the Global Chinese Marketing Federation. All right, first and foremost, I'd like to introduce Mr. Zhen Lizong, our founder. And we would also like to acknowledge Mr. Zhen Lizong is actually representing Taiwan region. All right, thanks for joining us, flying all the way from Taiwan every year. Helping us to actually grace our event. Thank you. All right. And next on the list, I would also like to give a word of thanks to our Taikoa, Mr. Sherman Lam. Okay, which is also the founding members of the Global Chinese Marketing Federation, coming from Hong Kong. Used to be a teaching academia from Hong Kong Poly U. Thanks, Mr. Sherman Lam. All right, and I'd also like to also acknowledge the presence of the Marketing Institute of Singapore, our second Vice President, Dr. Roger Loh. And in fact, Dr. Roger Loh almost couldn't join us. Yesterday, it was a very intense judging session, so Dr. Roger Loh was advising the judges itself under the leadership of Prof. Jimmy. You know, he wasn't feeling well. In fact, still vomiting, you know. So this is how intense the competition was. It's not the students that actually vomited, but that our advisors that actually threw up while liberating the judges itself, helping the judges in terms of identifying the winning teams. Okay. I would also give an acknowledgement to Ms. Ren Kui Ying. Here, please help me to give a big round of applause. She's the Party Secretary of the CCPIT Commercial Sub-Council, and she is also a familiar face in our competition. So please help me to actually welcome her, okay? And we'll also like to give an acknowledgement to Ms. Zhang Haixing. Ms. Zhang Haixing. Ms. Zhang Haixing happens to be 我的师姐 in my doctorate program. Currently, I'm still pursuing. So, and I understand you just finished your QA itself. So Ms. Zhang Haixing is actually from she's the chairman of the Career Education Committee under the China Society of Educational Development. Thank you, 谢谢你哦。今天劳驾你当我们的评委。 Okay. And at this time, I would also like to give an acknowledgement to Mr. Charles Seng. Mr. Charles. Being a senior advisor to the Presi, largely me itself, I think you did great for us, although it's in a very short period of time, just been appointed for less than a month. He has actually kicked off a lot of initiative for MIS. Thank you so much for spending your time. And Mr. Charles happens to be also a former civil servant from the Singapore Police Force as the Assistant Commissioner of Police. Okay, thank you, sir. Thanks for being with us. Okay, and of course, I would like to also give a word of thanks to our long-time supporter, that's Zheng Geping 大哥。同学们，如果你不知道谁是郑大哥，郑本平大哥，他是我们的新传媒的一个非常资深的导演跟演员。当然，除了介绍葛平大哥之外呢，我 like to give an acknowledgement to 洪慧芳姐。Which is also a supporter, a long-time supporter of our MIS. 你们知道慧芳姐她拍过一个电影哦，叫《Ajuma》，对不对？你们可以去看一下。那个 Ajuma 帮我们新加坡争光啊，赢了很多的奖，所以谢谢慧芳姐来到我们的今天的那个比赛的现场。当然葛平大哥跟慧芳姐呢有他的公子跟女儿吧。All right, can you please help me give a big round of applause to Miss Tay Eng? Miss Tay Eng. All right, and can I announce it that you're getting? Can I? Okay, Miss Tay Eng will be getting married. I think this month. So congratulations. Okay, thank you so much. I wish you all your best. And of course, Mr. Kevin Tay, 他也是我们的很帅的那个新加坡的一个演员。现在他有他的自己的媒体公司，对不对 ？All right, thank you so much. All right, so 谢谢葛平大哥跟你的家人来到我们今天现场。Okay, thank you so much. Okay, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for coming by. In fact, this is you can see our 8th global brand planning competition that happens in Singapore itself. Okay, in fact, the semi-finals happens in various countries, especially in China, and in fact, in China itself, it happens in Xi'an. I was there to witness the competition. It was a very highly contested competition in China itself, and the top winning teams will be sent to Singapore to compete with the rest of the countries. In fact, in Singapore, Marketing Institute of Singapore has been the partner for this competition, right, for many years. So this being the 8th year itself, this is the 8th time. The final has always been held in Singapore, likewise for this year. And this year we are also having our 4th business events planning competition. Although it's 4th, but we are seeing a lot of new ideas coming from the contestants from various countries. And I'm happy to also announce that this year we do have a Japan team from Kensai University. Where's our Japan team? Can you please stand up? For a long time, we've been inviting Japan, and thanks to you. So the Japan team actually performed pretty well, although being first time participating in our events or in our competitions. Now, this year itself, we pay particular attention to the ESG, and thanks to the advice of Ms. Zhang Haixing itself, which actually pointed out that ESG is also a very important part in terms of your brand planning. So henceforth, we actually see a lot of good ideas coming from there. Okay, so I will not say much because I do not want to take away the time so that we can have more time, ma'am, for you to actually view the first team competing. But I would like to also give a word of thanks to many people that has actually put this competition together successfully. All right, but first and foremost, as in all competition, without judges, and none of the competition could have gone on. So I'd like to give a word of thanks and acknowledgement to Professor Jimmy, Prof. Jimmy, for leading our judges, okay? And then judges itself, 同学们，你们应该知道我们评委是谁了哈。经过昨天一整天的比赛， So I would like to also give a word of thanks to all my judges, starting from Dr. Ho, Dr. Wong King Xiong, Alex, 我最喜欢的大姐 Susan， 非常资深对于 business， Sebastian and Frida, and more importantly Jensen also. Okay, thank you Jensen. All right, so yeah, so the judges actually went through a lot yesterday. In fact, it was very intense. And in fact, 昨天我们增加了一个环节. We actually have a additional itinerary in. That's where the judges actually share what they think about the competition, how you can improve. Correct? Yes or no? 没有 respond. Can I have better response? 对不对？所以 I think the judges, really largely want to thank you for all the time spent at your own personal time coming here to actually help us to judge the competition. Like I always said, judges are very important because they come across with their industry knowledge. And this is where they are able to value add to the academic pathway of the students itself by giving their personal experience in terms of doing a best personal brand. Okay? Sorry, not personal brand, global brand. Okay, now on the other hand, I also like to acknowledge our VP, Vice President, Second Vice President, Professor Dan from the Marketing Association of Thailand. Professor Dan has always been very supportive, sending very strong team, and this year from Chulalongkorn, right? All right, very, very strong team coming from from Thailand itself. Okay, I will not say much, and of course, Jerry, please give a big round of applause to Jerry Yao. Jerry Yao is our appointed representative of the GCMF in Global Chinese Marketing Federation in Philippines. Okay, thanks Jerry for bringing a very, very big team from Philippines. Can I have a cheer from Philippines team, please? As always, can I have a cheer from the Chinese team, please? Can we try again? 我们再试过 ，OK， 一定要比菲律宾队更加帅。Okay, can I have a cheer from the Chinese team, please? Okay, can I have a cheer from the Japan team? Never mind. Can we have a cheer from Thai? Okay. Last but not least, Singapore team, are you here? Thank you. From NYP and from SUSS. Where's the team from SUSS? Hi. So quiet. Our Vice Dean is here, Nevertheless, I think that's all for my speech. And I really want to thank you and hope that you will have an enjoyable time in Singapore. Okay, take some time to shop. Okay, if you can, visit some of our shopping malls, then look at some of the famous Singapore brands. All right, and hope you actually have an enjoyable time in Singapore. All right, and do come back and visit us again, even after your graduation. Please feel free to keep in touch with us. So with that, thank you very much, everyone.